Welcome everyone, in front of me I have Phone Rebel Flex Series for iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I've wanted this for a very long time. I saw Generation 1 and the main reason why I didn't buy it is because the shipping was so expensive. And even though the shipping now still costs more than the phone itself, you know what guys, I just want the Phone Rebel case. So let's unbox it and I'll give you my raw opinion whether or not this is worth buying. So it's going to take me a couple of seconds to undo this. Alright, so let's open up the case itself. So we see here Phone Rebel Flex Series. Look at the back, exposed size, maximum comfort. I agree with that one. And aggressive edge guards, real amid fiber weave, premium materials. Okay, let's actually use the case now. So how do we open this up? Clearly I am a bit lost here. Oh, there we go. It just pops out like so. And does this slide out? Doesn't quite slide out, but it works. Alright, here is the case itself. So let's remove this plastic off of here. Now I'm going to keep it real, you guys. I haven't actually watched any videos on this, so I'm going in completely raw. I have watched a drop test from Everything Apple Pro for the first generation, which he did like 2 years ago, 1 year ago. It was like 1.5 years ago. So let's take off my iPhone 13 Pro Max case. This came with the phone for free. And let's put in the Phone Rebel Flex series. So let's pop it on here. And I'm really happy Everything Apple Pro decided to continue with this, because I remember watching other reviews on the first gen and people really weren't happy that the sides were exposed when that's the whole point of the case. And then he released Gen 2, which, you know, removed that. Oh my god, holy shit, this feels so good to hold. Wow, this is, you guys have to buy one right now. I'll leave a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link. This just feels so good. All right, okay, let me describe what I'm feeling here. So the problem I have with the iPhone 13 series is the back glass. This feels like really slippery to hold. However, the metal sides feel really good, right? And here's the thing, this Phone Rebel case completely solves that, because the back, you get this carbon fiber, I think that's what it is, and it feels really good, right? It feels good holding the back of the phone. However, you also get the same feeling holding the sides as well, with the metal. This, okay, I have no regrets what I'm buying here. And look how thin it is as well. I mean, obviously there's literally no bezel here. Like, guys, look how cool this is. This is going to be probably a shorter video, because this just feels so good. Wow, man, if only shipping wasn't £28 or £29. It was so goddamn expensive. I paid for next day delivery because I didn't want to wait. Now let's take a look at what we got in the box here. So we have the guide sticker, whatever that is, and then we have these protections for the side. Now I have Apple Care, so I don't really care, but what I'm going to do, that was not intentional. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a look at what we got here. Might as well use them. I'll tell you guys how the feeling is with these stickers, whatever they are. The thing I'm concerned about is putting these stickers on is going to ruin the feel of the, you know, the case itself. So let's see here. It's not easy to remove these. I don't know if you can see, I'm actually struggling. There we go, got inside. So these don't need to be put in perfectly, and they don't flip around. Usually when you have plastic like this, it will, like, it's hard to explain, but oh, it does do that. You can see it's like sticking over. It's really annoying. So let's put the phone on the side here. Clearly this is not how you're meant to do this, but you know what, we do things my way here. Anyway, so let's just put this on the power button, and they do give you an extra fit, because like just in case you're stupid like me. Okay guys, so all right, I mean, it works. I didn't really pull it on properly, but the one thing I do observe is you can see the plastic itself does extend a bit too far for my liking. But if I hold the phone itself, honestly guys, you don't even feel the plastic. Like, I'm not even joking. You do not feel the plastic even though it's on. Man, this guy is a bloody genius. And I've just leaked one of my friend's numbers by opening up the phone now. This guy's a genius. Wow. Okay. I'm like so surprised by that. I literally put plastic on the metal and you don't feel, you don't even feel the plastic. Man, this guy is built different, eh? And you even got multiple. So let's say screw up, you have 3 of these. I'm going to lose this box in like right after I'm done recording this video, but if you want, you can always replace these. I'm very impressed by this. I am very impressed. I'm usually never someone who actually drops their phone. I'm usually someone who just scratches it up. So having something like this is just actually perfect. Like actually perfect as well. Guys, this is worth it 100%. I'm just gonna quickly clean that area using my thigh. Guys, yeah, I'm so impressed by this. Like I was expecting to shit on this case, but not expecting to, but you know, if it wasn't good, I'm not gonna tell you guys it's good. 'Cause, you know, I'm actually planning on using this. One thing I do notice here. Oh my! I thought it didn't have a an area for the SIM ejector, but it actually does. And this case is so cool. Right, just plop that down. I fucked up. Shit. Yeah, this alignment here isn't the greatest. I'm not gonna lie. Like it really is not very good. It's not as nowhere near as good as the other side. That's probably because there's multiple buttons. So I'm just gonna cut until this is done. Right, guys. So I didn't do a great job, but at the end of the day, protection is protection. No matter how you put it on, if you know what I'm saying. You know, the buttons work. Yes, they do. And you don't really feel the plastic. I don't know how this guy pulled this off. But what I do know is I have the coolest phone in the world now. When it's jailbroken, it's going to be even cooler. And that's all I have to say. This phone case is... Oh my god, please release one for the Samsung Z Fold 3. You know what, actually, guys, I'm going to keep it. I really like later case on my Z Fold 3. You know, Pitaka didn't release one, but Unbox Therapy, you know, he knows, and I'm happy about that. So I'm using a case by Apple Pro on my iPhone, and I'm using a case by Unbox Therapy on my Android. Yeah, guys, this case 100% worth it. It just feels so good to hold. It removes all the issues I have using, you know, the phone without a case and the phone with a case. I just didn't think this was possible. Well, I mean, clearly it is. Thanks. This is awesome. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Again, the link in the description if you want to buy one. Not an affiliate, just buy it. This is so good. Bye bye.